Want to create a LinkedIn banner for your personal profile? If so, keep on watching this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to design an eye-catching banner that will help you attract new clients for your business. Now, be sure you watch this video until the very end because I also have a very special bonus gift for you. I'm Wendy and I'm all about helping coaches and course creators attract the highest quality inbound leads on LinkedIn without the need for cold selling. Now, if you're thinking about using LinkedIn in your marketing this year, be sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I release a new video. First of all, I want to say a massive congratulations for being here because most business owners have banners that look something like this. That's right, they have nothing there. Now, I want you to think about your LinkedIn banner as the prime real estate on LinkedIn. Think of it as your billboard. Having an empty billboard is not going to deliver you clients, and having random pictures in your billboard is likely not going to result in sales as well. So what do? I recommend that you just clearly convey who is it that you serve and what is it that you offer in your banner. So, for example, you could follow this formula. I help your ideal client, client outcome, ask me about, call to action. For example, my banner says, I help coaches and course creators get leads on LinkedIn. Ask me about the LinkedIn Bootcamp. Now, if I was an accountant, my banner could say something like, I help small business owners alleviate their accounting headaches. Ask me about our streamlined bookkeeping system. By looking at your banner alone, people on LinkedIn need to understand who is your ideal client, what exactly is your offer, and what's the next step they should take if they wish to work with you. Now that you understand that, let's get to the fun part of actually designing your banner. You might remember that at the beginning of this video, I told you that I have a very special gift for you, and I meant it. In the description box below, you will find the exact template that I have used to create my banner. What I want you to do right now is pause this video, open up that template, and then come back to me once you're ready to adjust it. Alright, so once you have opened up your template, this is what you should see. Now at the top over here, I have indicated where your profile picture goes on desktop and on mobile, which means over here you do not want to have any text because it could get covered on your mobile device. Now the next thing for you to do is actually to adapt this banner for your business, right? So first thing you want to do is you can change the text to I help your ideal client, client outcome, and then the call to action is ask me about and whatever the call to action for your business is, right? Now remember, you can change the font to be whatever you want to be, right? All these little assets you can actually delete if you don't like them, or you can bring them back. You can look up new assets like arrows over here and go to graphics. You're gonna see, find many more assets in Canva. Then obviously you also want to change the colors for the background to match with your branding, right? So you'll go over here and click here to select your colors. Now, if you don't have brand colors yet, then what you can do is go to Coolor's website and go to Explore, and it's going to generate you so many different kind of inspiration for your brand colors. So for example, you could say, let's say you just love this yellow, so you copy that yellow, we go over here and we change the hex code to be yellow, right? And then I would also change this to be the same yellow, all right? Here we go. Now, obviously, you can add your own logo over here in the corner. So this is one version of your banner. And the second version is that you could have your picture there as well. And this is very, very simple to do. You're going to go to the upload section and actually just upload a picture of yours. For now, I'm just going to say, let's just find a picture of a random person. So for example, I'm going to select this girl. Okay, actually, that's not a good example because I want to show you how to remove the background. So for example, let's take this picture, right? Then to remove this background, I'm going to go edit image and background remover over here. I'm going to click that. And within a few seconds, that's actually going to remove the background for this picture, and then you can use it for the banner. So it's just doing its thing right now, and here we go. Amazing, right? Here we go. And I could just remove myself over here, and we put the shake there. And now this is exactly how you're going to be adapting and adjusting your banner. So that is the fun part for you, all right? So play around with this, and I'm going to catch you back on the big screen. There you have it. Your profile is now one step closer to attracting inbound leads for your business. If you'd like me to be your coach and show you exactly how to sign up your next client on LinkedIn, message me on LinkedIn and ask me about the LinkedIn Bootcamp. I would love to help you. Now, another thing you definitely want to check out is this playlist on how to optimize your entire LinkedIn profile. I would also appreciate if you could give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, as it truly helps me grow on YouTube. Thank you again for being here, and I'll catch you in the next episode.